BET Composite PU College was established in the year 1994 with an objective to impart quality education to girl children. Since then, BET PU College has grown by leaps and bounds. The honorary management members have put their heart and soul in growing our institution to this level and have never hesitated to walk an extra mile to ensure the overall development of students.
Almighty Allah, the most benevolent, the merciful, O Almighty Allah, give unto me more knowledge. One of the most sought of PU colleges for girls in Banglore South is BET Composite PU College, which provides safe and secluded atmosphere for educating the girls. The aim of the institution is to provide quality education, to empower girls to pursue professional courses and later face the challenges of life through value-based and holistic education apart from regular PU curriculum. The college has highly experienced, dedicated and committed staff members. The college has consistently given highly impressive PU board results in intercollegiate, district level and state level sports and cultural activities. The college also provides NEET, KSET and JEE coaching.
Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and career of an individual. Our teachers deserve our gratitude and respect because they dedicate their lives in teaching children and guiding them. They also work hand in hand for the welfare of the institution.
Composite PU College is located at Bismillah Nagar, which is very close to bus stop and which is easily accessible for students to commute.
Physics lab provides an experimental foundation for the theoretical concept introduced in the lectures to familiarize students with an experimental apparatus and analyze data with scientific methods.
And then you can find out the balancing length, right? So once you find out the balancing length, you will get here 0 in the galvanometer. At that time, you have to take this as the balancing length. How much it is? It is equal to how much? 50. So write down here 50. Write it down there 50. You do it. So now Muskan and show me. Yes.
So K-1 of 4 is a self-indicator. You are not going to add any extra indicator to this. Now Zara, you hold and you do it. From your left hand, yes. Hold the conical flask. Swirl the conical flask. Yes. Yes.
Chemistry lab has all the necessary equipments and chemicals required for the preparation of samples and standards for various analysis of liquid and solid samples by students. They get an opportunity to actively participate in the learning process.
Take the leaf, clear it. This transparent part of it. The blade.
Biology lab consists of simple and compound microscopes for the students to focus and study slides. The lab has all sorts of facilities ranging from specimens to permanent anatomical slides. The practical work follows a basic principle of learning by doing. Moving ahead with technology, Computer Lab offers a space for students to explore, create, connect, and build digital literacy. Our lab comprises of 33 systems with internet facility and projector LCD for smart learning. These technologically advanced rooms can accommodate more students by providing more computing power, online learning, and more.
If we want to add all these variables, the program will become very lengthy.
The physical environment is of high importance. Spacious and well-ventilated classrooms have correlated with good performances on the part of the students. A well-furnished classroom with ICT facility helps students avoid being distracted and focus more on the classroom teachings. Our sports room comprises of various play equipments. This room is specially designed for indoor games like carom, chess, mind games, etc., as these games have important role to play in the growth and development of mind and body of our students. The indoor stadium is an integrated facility for sports activity with provisions for training athletes and hosting of district and state level events like tennis, kabaddi, kho-kho, tug of war, etc. Our e-library provides around-the-clock access to online digital audio, video, and written material. It provides free copies of books, journals, magazines, previous year question papers, and project reports to meet present and future information, etc., to our students and the faculties. The library is fully automated and constantly updated with the latest books of knowledge. Our prayer hall allows students to step off the busy roller coaster ride to pause, breathe, and unite their mind, body, and spirit. Transport services have now become very essential with regards to student safety. Our buses go far and wide picking up both students and staff. Our buses carry GPS trackers as well to ensure utmost safety of the students.